Ever caught yourself saying, I deserve this, right before buying something you didn't actually plan for? Yeah, same. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the I deserve this money trap, step by step, and how to stop emotional spending before it drains your bank account in 2026. Let's break it down. The I deserve this trap is when you justify spending money as a reward. Maybe you had a long week, maybe work was stressful, or you just feel like you've earned something extra, so you buy it. The problem? Small emotional rewards add up fast, and most of the time, it's not about the item, it's about the feeling. First, you need to catch the trigger. Before any purchase, pause and ask yourself, why do I want this right now? Is it stress, boredom, frustration, or are you actually solving a real need? That tiny pause, even 10 seconds, Tim, interrupts the automatic spending habit. Next, don't eliminate rewards completely. That never works long term. Instead, create a small monthly reward budget. This is guilt-free money you're allowed to spend. No overthinking. When you pre-approve the spending, it stops feeling impulsive. It becomes intentional. For anything that costs more than your comfort limit, maybe 50, 100, or whatever fits your situation, apply a 48-hour rule. Wait 2 full days before buying. You'll be surprised how many I deserve this purchases disappear after 2 nights of sleep. Here's a powerful shift. Replace spending rewards with non-money rewards. Go for a walk, watch a favorite show, call a friend, take a long shower. Yeah, it sounds simple. But your brain is chasing dopamine, not the product. For the next 30 days, track every purchase that was emotionally triggered. Just label it honestly. No shame, no guilt. Awareness alone reduces the habit. The truth is, you do deserve good things, but you also deserve financial peace. When rewards are planned instead of reactive, your money starts working for you instead of against you. So next time you hear yourself say, I deserve this, just pause and choose intentionally. See you in the next guide. Do you ever feel